Welcome to the ocean ecosystem. It includes 5 main parts. The first part is phytoplankton. It is a producer of ocean ecosystem. The second part is zooplankton and other little organisms such as shrimps. They are called primary consumers. The third part includes fish and other consumers, such as sea turtles. They are called secondary consumers. The fourth part is sharks and other predators. They are called tertiary consumers and are the highest level of ocean ecosystem. This is the ocean ecosystem. Thanks for watching.